Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender on your Windows 10 computer. Maybe you're excited to start creating 3D models, animations, or even visual effects, but you're not sure how to get Blender set up properly. Or maybe you tried before but got confused by the website or installation steps. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get Blender up and running quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Blender website at blender.org. Right on the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says Download Blender. Click on that, and it will automatically detect that you're using Windows and give you the correct installer file. Once the installer file finishes downloading, open it up. You'll see the Blender Setup wizard. Just click Next to start. Choose the installation location if you want, or just leave it as the default, then click Install. The installer will copy all the necessary files to your computer. After it's done, click Finish, and Blender will be installed on your PC. To launch Blender, just search for Blender in your Start menu and open it up. You're all set to start creating amazing 3D projects. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Blender on your Windows 10 machine, ready for you to unleash your creativity. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.